Okie dokie, so 2022's come to a close, 2023 is upon us. The truth is, we gotta start making some changes. I know what you're thinking. Inflation, going crazy. The political climate is insane. People are at each other's throats. There's wars going on. People can't afford food. People can't afford the price of gas. In some parts of the world, people can't even afford to warm their house. But I'm not talking about any of that. What we need to focus on is these stupid watch trends that we need to leave in the past. It is 3:12 p.m. Let's get down to business. That's right, guys. We do this every single year. Here are some trends I hope just stayed in 2022 because I do not want to see them in 2023. First up, controversial one, brand collaborations. Brand collaborations. Brand collabs. Brand. You know, initially, I'd be excited if a watchmaker I liked collaborated with a car maker I liked. It would be like a match made in heaven. The truth is, there's a bunch of these like automotive inspired watches that came out in 2022. Most of them are f***ing disgusting. And then when we take a look at things even like almost borderline incestuous collaborations within companies like Swatch and Omega with the Moon Swatch, get rid of it. It is f***ing bad. It was atrocious. This was not good, dude. No good. No. And then we have Seiko 5, who is now producing literal Cracker Jack watches. Like watches you would find in a coin machine or a Cracker Jack box. Just throwaway pieces of garbage. Coming out with every anime-inspired collaboration, every video game-inspired collaboration. I think they recently did one with Honda, even. It's just a joke, dude. These are toys at this point. There's no difference between Seiko 5 and what Invicta does with the Marvel universe or the Disney universe. It is just crap that needs to be left in the past. The next thing I want to see stop is Hamilton coming out with watches that don't have threaded crowns. If you are going to make a field watch and you market it as this robust field watch, but it fogs anytime the humidity increases in the environment that you are staying in, it is not a field watch. It is trash. Go on the forums, Watch You Seek, any of the forums, type in Hamilton water resistance. You get everybody and their mother complaining about their Hamilton khaki fogging up in humidity. It is a joke. Especially when people like Timex are coming out with automatic 200-meter titanium field watches with threaded crowns for like $350. Actually less, $349. Boom. Next thing I want to see left in 2022 are these techie watches. What do I mean by that? Well, there's a bunch of watches, for instance, that stupid Bulgari Octofinissimo Ultra, the crazy thin, like razor thin watch with the stupid QR code. I mean, I mentioned this in a prior episode. H. Moser is just dunking on them with that QR code watch. They're making fun of it. You have Tag Heuer coming out with a bunch of these like overpriced smartwatches that are going to be obsolete in like a matter of like months. I mean, why does a new iPhone come out every year? Why does a new Apple Watch come out every year? These smartwatches become obsolete in months, and it's planned obsolescence. That's how they've engineered these things. So if you're going to spend a few $1,000s on one of these Tag Heuer connected watches, that's really impressive because you're going to have to be doing that pretty much every year, the same way that the phone makers want you to do that with the iPhone or the Samsung or whatever. They want you to keep buying these tech objects that just keep becoming obsolete sooner and sooner and sooner, and that's why mechanical watches or even simple quartz watches are much more interesting to me. This is going to be a quick one. The next one that I want to be left in the past, Royal Oaks. That's right, I really liked Royal Oaks in the past, then I hated them because I felt like AP has just become like Royal Oak. And then I started coming back around to them. And I was like, you know what, these are nice with that jumbo, with the salmon dial, which was really a champagne dial. I really like it. You know what? Yeah, I like Royal Oaks. Now, I'm sick of it. You go to Hodinkee and you go to like releases of 2022. All of them were Royal Oaks. It was just so dumb. I'm sick of it. Next thing I want to see left in the past is Hodinkee. It's kind of simple. Hodinkee. And speaking of Hodinkee, how about those articles where they want to talk about how giving someone your watch temporarily, having them wear your watch, is the same as having someone your significant other? Weird. And to take it one step further, the next thing I don't want to see is any John Mayer release. Not talking about his music. I mean, I don't listen to his music, but the John Mayer G-Shocks, it's just a DW6900. Like, that's it, with like some different colors. There's literally nothing about that watch that is John Mayer, but they keep releasing them because they know that if they attach John Mayer's name to it, people will buy it. It is just Hodinkee being Hodinkee. This is really no fault of John Mayer's either. I mean, it's not his problem that, like, he wants to make money too, so congrats, but I just don't want to see it anymore. 2023, I don't want to see this. And then the last thing that I think is a trend that we can leave in the past are Tiffany blue dial anything. All right, it was nice and novel when you first would see it. Now, everyone and their mothers has to come out with something similar to a Tiffany blue. It's ugly. It's very in your face. It's stupid. It's not something I would wear every day. I know some people absolutely love that, but I think it's just a money grab. And that new Patek new 5811, it's really just a 5711, regardless of what they tell you. So if they never come out with another Nautilus, I would be happy. All right, guys, that's it. These are trends that I never want to see again. Definitely not this year. All right, guys. Love you. Stay happy, stay healthy, stay blessed. I'm Jory Goodman, the Time Teller. And always remember, I didn't invent time. I just tell it.